Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to check login alerts on Facebook. This feature helps you know if someone logs into your account without your permission. So let's get started. First of all, open the Facebook app on your phone. Then tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Now tap on settings icon from here. After that, tap on see more in account center. Then here you tap on password and security. Now tap on login alerts option. After that, here you will see your account name. Just tap on it. Now as you can see, this option is already on in my account. That means login alerts option is enabled on my device. For those whose login alerts are not turned on, you will see a turn on option on this page. You can simply tap on it and turn it on. Now no one can log into your Facebook account from a new device without you receiving a notification. If you ever see a suspicious login alert, make sure to change your Facebook password immediately. Okay guys, if you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel.